Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Siri not working on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or on iOS 18. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then go to Siri here. From there on where it says talk to Siri, we're going to select that and we're going to go ahead and turn that setting off, and then we're going to turn off Siri. So after you have done that, you should see something like this, and now Siri is turned off. And from there on, we're going to go back again to our settings here. And this time from our settings, we're going to go to the focus or the screen time here. And then from there on, we're going to go ahead and click on content and restriction, turn that setting turned on. And I'm going to show you why we need to do that. So with these two settings turned off, go ahead into your phone, and then you're going to follow this step, which is quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this side button. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that in this sequence. Make sure you press volume up and volume down one after another quickly, and then hold on to that side button. And we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear before we let go of that side button. Once that side button and shows up with the Apple logo, we let go of it, and that's known as a forced restart, basically shutting down the phone software and reloading the code. And if it doesn't work the first time, keep on trying it again. It's just simply volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button and wait for the phone to reboot back to normal and back to your home screen. Now once you're back in your home screen, it's time to undo those two settings we did. First, we're going to go into our phone setting. This time we're going to go to, again, screen time, and then content restriction and privacy. And if you had this setting turned off previously, just go ahead and turn it off, and then go back to Siri in the settings, and then you want to go ahead and talk to Siri and turn either of these settings on so you can enable Siri. So go ahead and continue, and then go through this phrase to set up Siri. So I'm going to do that now. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And once you go through all this stuff, you're going to hit done and go back here, and that should work for you. Now, if that didn't work, the next thing you also want to do is use the side button for Siri. If you want to use that, you can turn that setting on as well. That's optional as an option, but you don't have to do that. Now you have done that. The next thing to troubleshoot is the language here. So certain languages do not support Siri. I recommend switching it to something like English, United Kingdom, or United States, and then switching back to your language as well, and that will do a reset of Siri as well. And finally, if that didn't work for you, the next thing you want to do is in your settings here, go to general software update and update your phone software. There's usually an update coming out each time there's a bug fix for it. As you can see here, iOS 18 came out on the iPhone 16 lineup, but there are some bug fixes that Apple released, and this one addresses that, and you want to go ahead and update it to fix those bug fixes that could be impacting Siri. And the final last thing I would say is that if you're using Hey Siri and it's not responding to your phone, you want to make sure, especially those mics are not blocked on the top here as well. Sometimes some cases interfere or block those, and it makes it easy for Siri to detect your voice. So you might want to consider doing that, and check if Siri works with the side button when we have that turned on. And that's it for the video. I hope this video is helpful in fixing your Siri problem on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or on iOS 16. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button. Also, if you found a better way to fix the issue, leave it in the comment section to share with everyone as well. We'll see you guys next time.